Hi teacher, I am Nicolas. Today I want to share how we can make our city safer. We should promote collaboration between communities and authorities, and we could focus on education for peaceful ecosystem. We might also use technology like smart cameras and apps to improve emergency response. However, we cannot normalize security or neglect vulnerable areas. There must be more investment in police training and improvisation program. If we work together, we will be able to create a safer city for everyone. Thank you, teacher, very much.